Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in this short yoga practice. This will be a Yin Yoga that allows you to release tension, especially at the mid of the week. So bring the hands all the way up, interlace the hand, open the palm. You can close your eyes or you can keep the eyes open. Allow yourself to stretch tall and drop the shoulders away from the ears. When you have it, now release the hands. The left hand alongside the body. Simply reach the right hand across. You can gently bend the left elbow. And of course, don't forget your smile. My name is Beth. I teach a power yoga. But often at times it's also okay to take things slow and stretch deeply into the body. We move over to the right side, the right hand alongside the hip. Take the left hand across and allow yourself to really release any tension on the side body, especially after a long day. Breathe in and out. Now, I would like to hear from you. Do you like a short class as well as you like a yin class? Slowly come to the hands and knees. Reach the hands forward. You can place your hand on the block and draw your head down in between your arms. Mindfully rotating the shoulders outwards as you press your hip towards the heels. Allow yourself to breathe in and out. When you have it, you're going to come back into your hands and we thread the needle. Right hand underneath the left armpit, the left hand on top of the right, and allow yourself to square the hip. And again, breathe in and breathe out. I want you to check in with yourself. Allow yourself to move organically. Come back into the hands and knees, and we go over to the left side. The left shoulder underneath the armpit, and allow your right hand now maybe to come on top of the left or towards your lower back. Really find your breath. Part of really finding yoga is also breathing. Bring the right hand down and come back into tabletop. Bring the left leg in between the hand. You can put a block to frame the front foot. You can lower your hands on the mat. Allow yourself to draw your shoulder away from the ears. Allow your face also to relax. With every breath, maybe your left knee starts to pass your ankle. It's okay. Then exhale here. Wiggle your left foot forward and we come into half split. This is a great way to get into the hamstring. And as well as breathing into it, being cognizant of any tension you might hold here. Bring the left leg back and bring the right leg in between the hand. Low lunge. Breathe in and breathe out. Allowing your sternum to lift towards the sky. Allowing your right knee to draw forward. Square the hip. Again, we hold tension around the hip flexor. And allow yourself now to come out. Straighten the right leg, half split. You can wiggle that right leg forward if it's not too much. Work with your breath. Inhalation and exhalation as you go deeper into this pose. Don't force yourself. Each side might be different. And bring the left leg to meet with the right in the front. Sit nice and tall and reach the hands overhead. If you're not able to catch your toes, you can bring the strap and put on the ball of the foot. If you can't catch your toes, you can interlace the hand. Lengthen the spine. When you have it now, slowly and mindfully, bring the right leg towards the perineum. Square the hip and reach the hands forward as you exhale. Paschimottanasana. Allowing yourself to use any prop that is available to you. Now, check in. How are you feeling? Inhale, come back. Switch legs. Bring the right leg forward. Bring the left leg towards the perineum. Extend. Catch your right toes or put a strap. And find your length. Inhale. And exhale. Let it go. Breathe in towards your lower back. Lengthen the spine. Then slowly come back. Bring the sole of the feet together. Sutta Baddha Konasana. Allowing your body to go to where it's comfortable. You can paddle your knee down. You can take the stillness, drawing your shoulder and lifting your sternum. With every outgoing breath, I want you to release now. Lay on your back and come into happy baby. Catching the edge of your feet, pushing your knee towards your armpit. You can rock side to side, or you can stay still. Just check in. Is there something that you need to release that no longer serves you? Let it go. Slowly bring your feet on the mat. Then inhale. Come into your bridge pose. Hugging your knee inward, interlacing the hands underneath you. Lift your sternum towards your chin. Let your back of your neck release. I enjoy a great back bend, but releasing any tension on your back is equally great. Bring the right ankle underneath, on top of the left knee. Thread your hand and catch your left shin. Reclining pigeon pose. Again, if you're running, walking, cycling, this is a great pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Don't force yourself into the pose. And just let yourself switch legs when you're ready. Lengthen the spine. Feel up and exhale it out. Drawing the shoulders down. Releasing any tension on the lower lumbar. Continue to work with your breath. And when you have it, release. Catch the edge of your mat and lift your hip. Draw the belly in, rib cage in. Allow your chin to be level with the chest. And flex the left leg. Allow. Breathe into this pose. Noticing the work you're doing here as you slowly release. We repeat on the right side as the right ankle comes on top of the left knee. Inhale, lift the hip. Draw the shoulders down. allowing your right leg to flex, lifting the back body, allowing your spine, allowing your hip. Exhale, release. Release and hug your knee towards your chest. You can rock side to side, massaging the lower back, being cognizant. And now we drop both legs to the left side and look to the right side. Use your left hand to bring the knees together, allowing that twist to release any tension and create more space on the spine. Breathe into the pose. Allow your shoulders to release and come back to center. And drop both legs to the right. Use your right hand to hug your knee inward and allow your gaze to come over to the left side. How are you? Are you still breathing? Allow your face to relax. Inhale and exhale. Each inhale just refreshes the body, letting go of what no longer serves you. Inhale, bring both legs to center, give it a squeeze, start to rock forward and back, and bring yourself into your Shavasana. I have brought a bolster underneath me. You can bring a pillow, you can roll up a blanket, place one hand on top of the heart and on the belly. This is a great way to really connect with yourself after a long day. Feel free to stay here as long as you like, and slowly and mindfully press yourself up to seated and cross the leg in easy pose. Allow yourself to find that joy within. Find the smile. Noticing how you feel, noticing the time you've taken to come onto the mat. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. Thank you. If you enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and be part of the Own Green Wellness family. Signing out. My name is Beth. Thank you.